Pat Dillon, registered holistic nutritionist and chef with Caterpillar Nutrition and Wellness, and today I'm going to show you a great recipe for honey eggplant. So let's start to make the glaze. Okay, so I'm starting out with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I'm going to take some of my fresh grated ginger. I've got about a teaspoon. What I like to do here is take my fresh grated ginger and give it a squeeze and then add it. So you get really a lot of those beautiful fragrant aromatics there. Got about 4 tablespoons of melted down coconut oil. I love coconut oil for its medium chain triglycerides. Great for burning fat. And then I've got about half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Got a couple tablespoons of honey. Your favorite honey will do. Any kind of honey, if it's raw honey, even better. I've got about a teaspoon or so of garlic. If you like garlic, this is your time. And about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Okay, I'm just going to mix this, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it over my grilled eggplant and then bake it once again. Okay, so we're ready to scoop the sauce on or glaze this beautiful eggplant. So all I'm going to do is just place about a couple of tablespoons on top of the face of the eggplant. Okay, just like that. This is just beautiful. And that's it. Now we're ready to put them right back into the oven. I take them around 350, 375, possibly not more than 10 minutes. You get a nice little glaze. You'll see when it starts browning at the edges, and then it'll be done. And here we've got it. I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of toasted sesame seeds, and we're ready to eat.